Hello everyone, this is the last video in the series of OLED interfacing with Raspberry Pi Pico, where we are just going to display picture onto the OLED display, that is a monotone or monochrome picture onto the display. The picture that we are going to take is our SM Academy logo. I'm just going to convert the image into a bitmap format, and I'm going to display that bitmap formatted data onto the OLED display so that the logo will be printed onto the OLED display. In the previous video, we just developed this particular Python script where we just explored how you can access the OLED display in pixel level, and we just printed a square shape onto the OLED display. And now we are just going to delete all these things. We don't want these, and I don't want this too, or I will do one thing, I will just comment out everything. I don't want this, I want this particular, so that is fine. And for displaying an image, we just want another module to be imported, that is nothing but frame buff. So this is the important frame buff module which will help you to display images onto your OLED display. And before printing any image, you just want to convert that particular image into display format. We very well know our OLED display is of pixel 128 cross 64, and well ahead of that, just remember that we are just going to use the same schematic diagram that we discussed in the previous video and previous to that particular video also. You can see on the screen, this is a schematic diagram that I have built in the breadboard for interfacing OLED display SST1306 with Raspberry Pi Pico W. Let's continue with the MicroPython part. Now we very well know we are having 128 pixels horizontally, and vertically we have 64 pixels in our OLED display. And we just want to do one thing, that is we just want to convert the image that you want to print on the OLED display into same 128 cross 64 pixel format. You can see I have already converted my logo, that is SM Academy logo, into 128 cross 64 pixel format. You can use any other standard Paint, Photoshop, CorelDRAW for doing this particular process. Just remember, you just want to convert the image into 128 cross 64 size, pixel size. And after that, I have found a website called luckyresistor.me. I think it is a third-party website, but this particular tool right over here is very much helpful for converting an image into bitmap formatted data. So I just downloaded this particular tool from this particular website, luckyresistor.me. Inside applications, MicroPython bitmap tool, you can find this tool, which is very much helpful for us to convert the image into bitmap converted data. You can see it has been downloaded here. I'm just opening this. Just open the bitmap tool, MicroPython bitmap tool. So this is the tool. Here just click on load bitmap. Before that, just select the monochrome type of data that you want to convert. Just click on HLSB. Just remember this particular format, we just want to provide it in our MicroPython script also inside the frame buff instance. Just click on the load bitmap and select the image that you want. You can see it has been converted into particular relevant data. Just click on copy code and move to the script. Here I'm just going to paste it. We don't want these data, just delete this until this, and we don't want this also, just delete this. And this name, I will just name it as SM underscore logo. That's it. I'm just saving this. Now coming to the bottom lines where you want to display the image that you have converted into bitmap byte data here. So here what I will do here is I will just declare a variable display logo, and using the frame buff module, using the frame buffer instance, I'm just going to print the data that is named as SM logo right over here. So this particular instance receives first parameter as the byte array data that you want to print and the size of data 128 cross 64. And the third thing is, as I said, we just want to provide the method of printing it onto the OLED display, that is HLSB, mono HLSB, that we just selected right over here, mono HLSB. That thing you just want to provide right over here. And after this I will just OLED dot blit. So this blit instance help us to display the image in buffer format from 0, 0. So the next two parameters is nothing but the x and y axis value of the display, and the first parameter is nothing but the variable that you define right over on the top with the logo buffer. Now I'm just going to run this particular program by clicking on this particular icon. Let's see whether it is running or not. And you can see this is the output which I got in the hardware. That is, my SM Academy logo has been printed onto the OLED display. That glitch is due to the frames per second of the video, don't consider that, but it is lighted up with the logo. So this is how you can print any picture onto the OLED display with the help of MicroPython scripting on Raspberry Pi Pico. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.